Hi, my name is Jason Zink. I'm the branch manager here at Green Line in Dartmouth, Nova Scotia.
New branch, new to the province and Eastern Canada. Green Line was across Canada to Montreal until this branch was opened.
The business is growing incredibly now with all the aquaculture business here.
One advantage I think that Green Line brings to Atlantic Canada is our inventory. I think we have an inventory second to none in this area. We have everything from pressure washer, hydraulic, industrial hose and fittings, clamps, pressure gauges, ball valves. It's just such a wide range of product that we offer. And we have the inventory. It's here, right in Dartmouth. They call and they get what they're looking for right off our shelf.